Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Interactive Brokers paper trading. Paper trading is an invaluable tool for new and experienced traders alike. It allows you to practice trading strategies and test new ideas in a simulated environment, completely free of financial risk. You get to experience real-time market conditions and explore different order types and investment products, all without committing any actual capital. It's the perfect way to build confidence and refine your skills. Setting up your paper trading account is straightforward. Once you have an Interactive Brokers Live account, a corresponding paper trading account is automatically generated for you. You can access it through either the client portal or the Trader Workstation platform. This simulated account usually begins with a generous $1 million in virtual funds, giving you ample capital to practice with and explore various trading scenarios effectively. Placing trades in your paper account mirrors the live trading experience. You'll use the exact same trading interface, allowing you to become familiar with the platform without any pressure. Feel free to experiment with a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, and more. Continuously monitor your simulated portfolio's performance and actively adjust your strategies based on the results you observe. This hands-on practice is crucial. Beyond basic orders, your paper trading account lets you explore advanced features. Dive into complex order types like bracket orders or even experiment with algorithmic trading strategies. Leverage the powerful analytical tools available to refine your decision-making process. Most importantly, use this environment to practice crucial risk management techniques, understanding how different positions impact your virtual capital. Consistent practice is key to mastering the platform and developing sound trading habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.